As the popularity of Android devices increases, the risks increase along with it. Over the last year, Avast Mobile Security has handled these threats for free for more than 25 million Android users. As always, Avast Mobile Security protects you in the virtual world by scanning your memory card, apps, files, and visited websites for viruses and spyware to keep. But it also protects you from the real-world dangers with the anti-theft component that gives you phone tracking tools and many other cool remote features. And now, for the first time, you get the option to expand the most complete Android security app with even more features, thanks to Avast Mobile Security Premier, which allows you to set up a simple PIN or gesture protection for specified apps with app locking. Retrieve your contacts and SMS call history from your phone remotely, no matter where it is. Get a picture and a sound recording if someone tries to unlock your disappeared phone. Or set a perimeter for your device to trigger your specified actions, such as lock or siren alert, with our unique geofencing technology. Don't let your personal data stop being personal. Download Avast Mobile Security for free today for Android smartphones and tablets.